Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, scalping is all about speed, precision, and laser focused setups. In this video, we are breaking down the best scalping indicators on TradingView that every intraday trader should know. Whether you are on the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute chart, these tools help you make cleaner, faster decisions without the second guessing. So it's important for you to know that scalping is not about chasing candles. It's about recognizing short bursts and, reacting with discipline. So when you notice a short burst of momentum and you react with discipline, it means you're making progress with your scalping. You need tools that filter out noise and give clear entry signals. High volume pairs and fast market conditions demand accuracy, and these scalping indicators on TradingView are built exactly for that. Okay, so the first indicator we will look at is the QQE MOD indicator. All right, so think of it as a turbocharged RSI. It detects momentum shifts early and even includes signals for overbought and oversold with a visual trend line. Can you see that in addition to these histogram bars, you can see that there is a zero level, there are histogram bars, and there is also a line. Now, when the histogram bars are blue above the zero level, it shows bullish momentum. When the histogram bars are red below the zero level, it shows bearish momentum, obviously, right? So you want to pay attention to the strength of that momentum. Of course, you're going to be using smaller time frames. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. You want to use small time frames, and you want to pay attention to the momentum that is prevailing at the time. If you notice the blue histogram bars above the zero level, then you'll be looking out for buy trades. If you notice the red histogram bars below the zero level, you'll be looking out for sell trades. Okay. Now, next up, we're going to look at the EMA ribbon. Okay, the EMA ribbon. Let's the moving average. Okay, the exponential moving average ribbon. All right, especially the 8 and 21 EMAs, especially the 8 and 21 EMAs. So you can actually decide to let's just visualize only the ones that we need. Okay, so when they compress and then expand, it's often a sign that volatility is about to kick in. You can use them for dynamic support and resistance and to confirm trend direction. If price breaks above a squeezed EMA ribbon, with volume, that's your cue, right? Your cue to enter a buy trade. And if price breaks below it, of course, your cue to enter a sell trade. Now, the next indicator we're going to use, we're going to be looking at for our scalping strategies is the MACD histogram. Okay, yes, the MACD histogram. Let's see. MACD histogram and signal. Okay, sometimes the naming of these indicators can be quite confusing. We're going to be looking for that with, okay, let's look at this. All right, now this is not the standard MACD, right? As you can see, so you're going to be focusing on both the histogram bars, the MACD and signal lines, and also this multi-time frame bar. Okay, you pay attention to that, especially on the 5 minute chart as a scalper, obviously. So remember that Multi-time frame analysis is also good as a scalper. You want to know what is happening on the higher time frame so that you take high probability trades in the direction of the trend, in the direction of the trend that is on the higher time frames. So if you notice that, let's say your monthly trend, this is the MACD, this is the histogram, this is the signal, right? So the weekly is saying above zero, bullish, buy. The daily, same thing. Well, the 4 hour in this case, below zero, bearish. But you will notice that most of the signals across the time frames were bullish in this case, right? And even on the 5 minute chart, all bullish. So in this case, you want to look for buy opportunities. And for your precise entry points, you ensure that the MACD line crosses above the signal line and you have the histogram bars above the zero level. And that's your cue to enter a buy. Okay? Now, finally, the next indicator is going to be the volume oscillator. All right? The volume oscillator. Volume confirms everything. The volume oscillator helps you know whether momentum is real or fake. Okay, big price move with no volume spike. If you notice such a thing, just skip it. Okay, but when price and volume align, especially near key EMAs or levels, you are in business. Okay, so you want to pay attention to an alignment between price and volume, price move and volume. All right, so when there is volume backing up a price move, it adds validity to that move. It gives it a higher chance of playing out as expected. All right, but when there is low volume behind a price action, there is a chance that it might not play out as expected. So that's the reason why you should pay attention to volumes in addition to your price action analysis. Okay, and don't forget about risk management. Don't trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Also, use good risk to reward ratios. Minimum I recommend is 1:2. If you're risking 10 pips, your potential profit target should be at least 20 pips. All right. So if you're scalping and you want confidence in every setup, these are the best scalping indicators on TradingView to build your system around. Did you like what you saw? Smash that like button to support the content. Also, subscribe to the channel for more deep dive trading videos and never miss the next strategy breakdown. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you always get updated on when new videos are being posted. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.